We're inviting 200 plus descendants of Africa to join us in Kenya this December 2025, January 2026, for a historic gathering of cultural reconnection and economic collaboration. Hosted by Traverze Culture, the Journey Back to Eden initiative, 2025 to 2028, strengthens ties between Kenya and its diaspora through cultural exchange, investment opportunities, and tourism promotion. This transformative end-of-year celebration will feature renowned speakers, dignitaries, and experts leading immersive cultural experiences and creating groundbreaking relationship-building opportunities. This is more than a trip. It is a movement to reconnect, invest, and celebrate. Will you answer the call?